Magandang hapon po ng Friday, August 23, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result. Ngayong hapon ng Friday, August 23, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng August 23, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto at 2D Lotto for Friday, August 23, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 106.5 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 10 million pesos for August 23, 2024 Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Friday, August 23, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.